Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elle if you're new here, and if you're not, thanks so much for coming back and hanging out with me today. Today I'm so excited to share with you an Etsy shop unboxing. Kristen was so nice and she wanted to send me some of her bath and body products from her shop that had just opened, and I'm just so excited to share them with you. I've done this before for like an Etsy wax vendor, and you guys know I love to support smaller businesses and all of that. So I have this huge box she sent me. I don't want to know what she paid for shipping, but she was just so generous to share some things with me to share on my channel. So thank you so much, Kristen. And let's get started. You guys know clearly through my addiction to Bath and Body Works that I just love bath and smell good products like that. So let's see. I'm not entirely sure what she sent. I think a variety of things. So this is like a surprise for me too. We got some bubble wrap. Ooh. Aw, she said, thank you for taking the time to respond to my emails. No, thank you for emailing me in the first place. I hope that everything within the sample pack is to your liking, and to make it even better, I'm making the sample packs available to everyone. They have the choice of receiving one that contains random scents or receiving one just like yours titled the MissGlamBAM sample pack. She named something after me. That's so cute. Oh my god, you guys are gonna have to check out her shop. For just $37.50, which is $5 off what the regular amount would be if bought individually. Can't wait to see a review, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I'm not gonna look at what the products are because I want it to be a surprise, like when you do a beauty unboxing. Everything looks so cute. So this looks super intriguing. I need to see what this is. Oh, it smells good already. Oh, look how pretty this is. What? So this says plain milk bath, pour desired amount into tub while running water. This product is not edible, has milk powder and fragrance oil. It's so fancy. Oh my god. And it has a little cork in it. How do you open it? Oh, it smells like fancy bath stuff my mom used when I was like growing up. I think it's just powder. Yeah, it's fragranced milk powder. So I guess don't use it if you're allergic to milk, but that way it will stay good over time. You know, I'm always worried about like homemade bath products going bad quickly with the oils that people put in them, but wow. And the cork really stays in there. This is so pretty. I've been wanting bath stuff / needing to get more into baths. This is next, cute little jar. Strawberry bath salt. Oh, I love strawberry scented stuff, and Bath and Body Works doesn't really do a lot of it. Look how pretty these labels are, and it looks so cute. Oh, let's smell it. Ooh. Without breaking it. Oh, it's like fresh strawberry, not like fake strawberry scent. This smells so good. Oh my god. Bath salts, yes. I could probably use this as a scrub too. That smells so good. Oh my god. Like fresh strawberries you just cut up. Band-aids look dumb, I'm sorry. Oh, I remember I specifically wanted one of these because I've been so into bath bombs. The Twilight Woods Well Owl Bee Bath Bomb. It has witch hazel in it, citric acid, fragrance oil, and it's a little owl shape. That's so cute. Bet you could cut it up. Not that you'd want to because it's so cute, but like use it multiple times, right? Like people do with Lush. And I bet it smells like Twilight Wood. Is that Bath and Body? I'm pretty sure. It smells really good. Kind of perfumey, cologne-y, delicate. She sent me a bunch of her business cards wrapped in a little twine. I think she said some for me and some for friends. It says Southern Beauty, Southern Style, Southern Belle. Her shop is A Southern Belle Secret. I don't think I've said that yet. I meant to. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? So this just has her email on it. I can list all this down below. If you guys want a custom order or an order, of course, I will try to look these up and link them all down below for you, as well as her shop. Another little jar. Could this be more bath salts? Ooh, I hope there's a scrub. This is a good sampler too, because everything's like full sized. Oh my god. Ooh, it is a scrub. Coconut milk and peaches sugar scrub. This looks so cute. Was it peaches they have in holes? This reminds me of the Peaches. I love that movie, like a weird amount. I love it. Ow. Oh, that smells just like peaches and cream. Maybe a slight hint of coconut water. I love a good body scrub. And mine's actually almost gone. She really filled this up too. Oh my god, these all smell so good. What is this? battery's dying. It better not actually die. I'd be pissed. Ooh, what is this? Jelly soap. Oh my god, I think I might have specifically asked for these because they look so fun. Crystal soap base, fragrance oil, and food coloring. It's like the little Lush bath jellies. I'm a sucker for these. I think my Lush one got thrown away by my parents like years ago because I put it in the fridge. Maybe it's in the back somewhere. I should have asked. Ooh, this smells kind of like blueberries or like blue raspberry. Maybe it's just because it is blue I'm thinking that. This is so cute. I'm so excited. I love bath jellies. And it's in a cute little Ziploc. Ah, it smells so good. I'm so excited. I don't even know how you'd make one of those from scratch. This is so cool. And I think this is the last product. Can't believe there's more. A coconut lime verbena bath bomb. Ooh, big bath bomb. It's so cute. Oh my god. I wish it wasn't so late at night or I'd just be taking a bath right freaking now. Looks all professionally wrapped. And coconut lime verbena, perfect time of year for that. I love that scent from Bath & Body Works. I love that she has some of their scents in her stuff. Can't really smell it through the plastic. But I will try to maybe post a picture of all of these as like a haul, and then as I use them, maybe some reviews on my wax Instagram. Let me know if you'd like that. I've also used the story there on that Instagram to kind of review products. You can also check out my personal and beauty Instagram, LOL86. I will link it down below. I'm trying to grow that account and post more makeup stuff, so please check that out if you have a second. So thank you so much, Kristen. Everything looks so adorable and it smells so good. I'm excited to use everything. I have no words. You are so generous. Thank you so much. Guys, if you liked this stuff, you want to check it out, you need some bath stuff, you want to support handmade small businesses, then definitely please check out her Etsy shop. Maybe tell her I said hello. If you want this exact pack, there's the MissGlamBAM sampler pack apparently, which is so cool. She named it after me. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so humbled that you were able to send these to me, Kristen. Thank you so much. I just filmed a big PR unboxing that you guys can check out, and I was gonna put this in there, but I knew it would be fun as its own video, a little unboxing and surprise and first impressions of everything. So you get your own video. Leave me comments down below, some of your favorite Etsy shops or what bath products you like or anything you want. Just say hello. I love to talk to you guys. It makes my day. It makes me feel like there's actual humans watching my videos. Maybe? Are there humans? Are you all robots? I don't know. Does anyone watch this? I don't know. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thumbs up for Kristen being awesome. Awesome. Subscribe to join our GlamBAM fam if you haven't already. Turn on post notifications so you never miss an awesome video. I do lots of bath product stuff and Bath & Body Works stuff if you're into that, and that's why you're here. So you're in the right place, and I will see you guys in my next video. 3, 2, 1, bam!